Welcome to my channel, friends. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to speak English. Friends, when we try to speak English and when we are beginners, we think or we consider from one day we will become fluent in English. Listen, this is our main mistake when we think like this. Always remember, when we are going to learn new language, we should try to speak by from one or two sentence, and don't hesitate to speak. It is just a language, and definitely we will make mistake. Also, I made mistake when I tried to speak, and don't worry, everybody makes mistakes, because English is not our native language. So definitely we will make mistakes while learning this language. So don't hesitate and don't think about people who laugh at you. Maybe they will laugh at you, and you know why people laugh when someone try to learn new thing? Because they don't want that you would be successful. And remember this, the people who laugh at someone, they are unsuccessful in their life. They are bad people. And in our society, all the people not bad, there are some good people also. And they will encourage you, they will support you. So ignore them, I mean ignore bad people. In the last, in this video I will tell you two things. Just start to speak and ignore the people who laughs at you. Okay friends, if you are new, so like, share and do subscribe.